Drones serve in almost every role on a modern battlefield. From surveillance to direct combat, drones have reshaped how wars are fought. Here are some that could be considered the best, with concessions made to actual fielding. The MQ-9 Reaper is the frontline armed drone for the US Air Force, designed to be a follow-up aircraft to the earlier MQ-1 Predator. The Reaper can carry more ordnance, which allows it to truly fulfill the hunter part of being a hunter-killer drone. Reapers can carry double the amount of Hellfires and bombs of up to the 500 lb class. The Reaper remains the primary hunter-killer drone used by American forces. A surprisingly old drone, first fielded in 1998. The Global Hawk continues to be a leader in a high-altitude long endurance. UAV field through continuous upgrades, as the RQ-4 fulfills a similar role in strategic reconnaissance and intelligence gathering to the U-2. Not much information is available about its contribution to current military efforts. The Global Hawk's record in that space makes it a world leader. Converted conventional aircraft have long been used as drones, but primarily in the target role. The recent flight test of unmanned EA-18 Growlers, however, show incredible potential as the electric warfare and suppression destruction of enemy air defenses. Missions are incredibly hazardous, as they often require flying directly at or in close proximity to enemy air defenses. However, the unmanned Growlers are not featured complete for service yet, as the aircraft were still actually manned for landing and takeoff during the much-publicized February 2020 test. Regardless, the unmanned Growler presents one of the most technologically mature and manned combat wingman-type aircraft in development today. So, do you agree with our ordering of top drones? Let us know why or why not in the comments. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.